Hi guys, welcome to my channel. After the update, cannot print or USB printer after updating Windows 11. So guys, how to fix? First, click to start and type services.msc. Right click to run as administrator. Then press P, printer spooler. This is printer spooler. When you press P, you can come on directly this time. Okay, and then just double click to open it. Stop it. If it is stopped, then click to start only. Okay, but before that you have to select the automatic startup type services automatic. Okay, and then click to apply and then click to okay. Then select again printer spooler and then left hand side restart icon there, so click on it and then close it. Then next, remove the reinstall the printer. Click to start, click on setting, then click Bluetooth and device, and then printer and scanner. Scroll down. Now which printer you are connected, check this and remove it. Okay, and then click to add device. After that it will come automatic after 5 seconds. Click to add manually and select the local printer and network. Then next. Okay, then which is you connected. Now you have to connect the USB print cable to your system, your desktop and laptop, and this side connected to printer, and after that it will come the printer. Okay, and then next and next to install. After that it will install and then finish it. Okay, and then next method, repair Windows file. So click to start, type cmd and then right click to run as administrator and then type sfc scan now and then hit enter. Now after that it will start the percentage, and when it is 100% completed, then your system and your printer restart and then check. Then check and please update on me, comment it's resolved or not. Okay, if not, I will create another video on this. Please restart, this is compulsory. Okay, thank you.